Now what you're going to do is combine the wall climb with the platforms. So I'm going to, you can do either one, but I'm going to just bring this into my platform assembly. So I'm going to hit place, and then this time I go to my assembly files and I choose the wall climb assembly. And so you can put assemblies within assemblies. So I'm going to place this one, and if you notice, I have all of my wall handles on there. This thing is going to be placed on the back of this. So depending on how you place this into your assembly, it might look like mine right now, it might not. So you need to orient the way that this is going to be put on there. So we need to mate the back of this to here, so I'm going to constrain. I'm just going to use mate, and then the back of the wall to the back of the main platform, like that. I hit apply, and it looks a little crazy, but that's totally fine because I know that I can fix it using flush. So I can flush the top of the wall. So flushing the top here with the top of the main platform. Apply. And then if I flush the side, apply. Should be all I need. So if I can kind of rotate around and see, you'll notice like it should line up perfectly with your platform. So this lines up because if somebody's climbing up this, they can get onto the main platform. And it also should line up with the top of the tri-platform. So if you notice that there's anything that's longer, it was either constrained incorrectly or your measurements are incorrect, so you need to go back and change something about either the climbing wall, or maybe it could be like the poles or something like that, but those need to be changed. Everything should line up neatly, so this is what we have when these two are combined.